Bonjour, I'm Teacher Paul and I teach French. Today we are going to learn about the French phonetic alphabet with the International Phonetic Alphabet, also known as IPA. This alphabet is a key tool for mastering French pronunciation, allowing us to understand how each word sounds distinctly. Are you ready? Let's go! What is the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA? The International Phonetic Alphabet is an alphabet of all the sounds you can find in a language. Each sound is represented by a symbol. It's a way to write down how words sound in any language. So it's really helpful for anyone learning a new language or studying how languages sound. Why is it important to know the IPA? Knowing the IPA is really important for learning languages, especially French. This is because the way French words are spelled can be very different from how they are said. The IPA shows you the right way to say new French words. This makes learning and speaking French a lot better and easier. How to read the IPA notation? The IPA is very different from the traditional alphabet because each symbol stands for just one sound. These symbols are put inside square brackets. When you read IPA, remember it's focusing on sounds and not letters. For example, in French, this symbol represents the sound sh, and this one represents the sound ou. Note that the IPA doesn't include letters that are not spoken. Par exemple, for the French word hôtel, the H at the beginning is silent. So, in the IPA, hôtel will be written as hôtel, omitting the silent H. The French phonetic alphabet. The French phonetic alphabet helps us to understand how to pronounce French sounds clearly. It covers different sounds like consonant, vowels, nasal sounds, and semi-vowels. Let's have a look at them. The consonants sounds. In the IPA for French, consonants have some familiar sounds and a few unique to French. Let's practice them together. B, as in bébé. D, dîner. F, feu. G, gare. K, café. Le, lune. Me, maman. Ne, non. Gne, agneau. G, camping. P, papa. R, rue. S, soleil. Ch, chat. T, tout. V, voiture. Z, zèbre. J, jour. Let's now have a look at the vowels. The vowel sounds. French vowels have small but important differences in how they sound. Repeat after me. A, chat. A, ba. As you can see, this sound is very similar to the first one, but becomes more and more regional and less used in France. E, été. Est, tête. E, feu. E, je. This sound is also very similar to the one above. In many regions of France, they are pronounced the same way. sœur, O, do, A, pomme, I, si, U, rue, ou, loup. The nasal vowels sounds. Nasal vowels in French are special because they sound like they are spoken through the nose. When making the sounds, you should use your vocal cords, but also your nose. Repeat after me. En, dans, un, vingt, un, pain. This sound is very similar to the one above and almost disappeared in some regions of France. On, non. Let's now finish with the semi-vowels. The semi-vowels sounds. In French, there are semi-vowels which are like light versions of vowels. Repeat after me. Y, ye, w, huit, w, oui. Et voilà! Now you know the basics of the French phonetic alphabet. As mentioned before, getting more familiar with it can really help you to improve your pronunciation in French. You can practice by reading words using the IPA and try to pronounce them correctly. Feel free to share your comments and questions below. I will be very happy to help you. Thanks for joining me today and see you in our next lesson. À bientôt!